Thank you for joining this lesson. We're going to discuss vector 2, collinearity. Number 7, given that the point P, -6, -3, Q, -2, -1, and R, 6, 3, express vector PQ and vector QR as column vectors and ensure that the points PQ and R are collinear. So for us to show collinearity, we have to express any two vectors in the provided coordinates, but now the examiner specified that we should express vectors PQ. Let me start with PQ, which will be Q minus P. The coordinates of Q will give the position vector of Q. The coordinates of P will give the position vector of P, and I express them as column vectors, -2, -1, then subtract, -6, -3, and this will be equal to, when we take -2 minus -6, it becomes -2 plus 6, and that will be 4. Then there is a -1 minus -3, being -1 plus 3, which is 2. Again, we should talk about vector QR according to the directives. So we need R minus Q. This is going to be 6, 3 minus Q is a -2, -1. So this will give us +8, and this is +4, because it is 6 minus -2, which is a plus, and 4 minus 3 minus -1, which gives a 4. So now we have all the vectors. For us to show collinearity now that we have vectors, we should show that one of the vectors is a scalar multiple of the other. For example, if we assume that PQ is multiplied by a certain scalar to give us QR, then we can check whether it is true by saying PQ equals to 4, 2, a certain scalar, multiplied to give us 8, 4. So we can see that there is a scalar multiple here, such that 4k equals to 8. So the value of k will be 2. We can also confirm using the y coordinates. 2k equals to 4. Therefore, again, the value of k will be 2. So vector PQ should be multiplied by 2 to give us vector QR. And so we can say 2 multiplied by PQ gives vector QR. This is an indication that PQ is parallel to QR, and that a coordinate Q, not coordinate but a point Q, is a common point. It's a common point. So you have shown collinearity. With this you say, hence, the 3 points now P, Q, and R are collinear. So now we've shown collinearity in the 3 points. Thank you so much for following. Subscribe and share.